So every once in a while, you got to do something for the wife out in the shop. My wife wanted, so we have Maverick, the puppy, and we have those inflatable Santa Claus and reindeer and Christmas trees and stuff. So my wife wants something to get them up off the ground so that he doesn't bite them or pee on them. So this is what I came up with. It was just stuff I had laying around. But the idea of having them angled like that is so I can stack them because they're going to take up way too much space. And it was pretty crude. Just some staples, some staples along the top. Screwed it together. Did a miter cut. It was a 45 degree like this with a 15 degree like that to get them to kick out. So it's kicked out 15 degrees. In hindsight, I should have done it more than 15 degrees, being that it was with 2x4s for them to stack properly. And then I just sanded them quick with some 80 grit. Yeah, I don't know. It would be nice to get them painted before we put them out in the snow, but we will see. Now, anyways, the snowman can sit up here, and then we can tie it to these legs. That was another reason I kind of wanted to fan these legs out a little bit. Or whatever, we can pop some screws or whatever. I can drill holes in the sides. We could have rebar sticking way out, however she wants it. But, did it take way too long to build? Yes, but it was fun. And I learned a couple things. Like, you can't just do a 45 degree and a 15 degree miter, or you won't have 90 degrees. So I actually had to do, I think it was 43 degree cuts with the 15 degree bevel for it to be 90, which is kind of weird. So, like, this one has tighter joints. And I wood glued them too, because I don't know, I was like, why not? Wood glue, a couple screws. So, they're just leftover 2x4s with some 3/8 plywood left over from a project, another project I did for my wife. And then I actually had to buy these. These are just furring strips. Got them at Menards. They're, what are they, 2x1/2 or something? I don't know. They were like $1.33 for an 8-footer. So I was like, it's the cheapest thing they had. Why not? And I mean, would I stand on them? No, but it's enough for a stupid inflatable snowman, or a stupid inflatable reindeer, or a stupid inflatable Christmas tree. You got to keep the wife happy, right, boys? Happy wife, happy life. Until next time, take care.